jingle bell rock. Jingle bells song and jingle bells swing. Laughing and drawing and singing a sing. And the little just begun. Sing about sing. Oh, let's pray. So, hello mga pumpkins! Merry Christmas sa inyo and your loved ones. Katatapos lang natin mag Noche Buena with the family. Hindi kami complete today because this year kasi ang dad ko is not feeling very well and he spent his Christmas in Laguna in our resort along with my sister. But my mom is here. She celebrated it with us and thank you mga pumpkins sa prayers nyo at magaling na si mommy. Nagpapalakas na lang. Slowly but surely, and salamat sa mga prayers ninyo, mga pumpkins, at nandito siya sa atin ngayon to celebrate our Christmas. And mga pumpkins, I pray na ang Christmas nyo ay masayaw, na celebrate niyo with your families, and I hope sa darating na New Year, magsama-sama ulit tayo. Please join us. May mga games, may mga fun games, and mas complete kami this time because nagpapagaling na si daddy ko at uuwi sila, pupunta sila ng Manila to celebrate New Year's with us.
Miss Noreen, nandito po tayo ngayon sa screening ng Rewind. So, please state your support. Siyempre, alam naman natin na endorser natin si Neylandia, si Marian Rivera.
Yes, of course, oo. Yes, siyempre, no, yung when I learned na talagang papasok na sa MMFF yung movie ni Marian and Ding Dong na Rewind, siyempre, sobra kaming natuwa dahil, wow, for the first time, I think this is their comeback nila after such a long time, no. And then sabi ko, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Neylandia sa support. Syempre, we've been with Marian for the longest time, for 10 years already, and of course, dapat automatic siya na syempre, meron tayong support sa kanya. So, one way of doing that is yun nga, ito, nagpa-black screening ang Neylandia in support of the movie Rewind. And sabi nila, sobrang ganda, ang daming reviews na ng movie, and then sobrang ganda daw, and kailangan daw magdala ka ng
maraming tissue.
Actually, hindi tissue towel daw. And madaming realizations dito sa movie na to. So, yun, I hope you like the movie, and thank you, Yan. And Marian Ding Dong will be coming here over to meet the Neylandia family. Please support Rewind the movie. It's a very good movie, and napakaganda ng reviews. Ang dami-daming mga reviews na naglalabasa na sobrang galing daw ni Marian and ni Ding Dong dito. Sobra.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Marian Rivera and Ding Dong Dantes! Si Miss Noreen is there. May isang box ng tissue. Magandang tanghali po. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung pelikulang handog po namin sa iyo ngayong Pasko. Nagustuhan niyo po ba? Marami po bang realization? Yes. Miss Noreen, syempre bago po ang lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Miss Noreen. Miss Noreen, halika dito. Ikaw ang dahilan. Hindi ko pa kaya. Miss Noreen, salamat po sa pagkakataon na ito na ibinigay natin sa kanila. Thank you so much. Sabi, hindi ko pa kaya. Hindi ko pa kaya. Miss Noreen, hinga.
Sakit ng dibdib ko. Hello rin ba? Hello, thank you so much, Ding Dong, Marian, for coming, for supporting our black screening. And thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Sa support niyo po kay Marian sa comeback movie nila, Marian and Ding Dong. And thank you po sa pag-support rin po sa Neylandia, sa Heroes and Skilllandia.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Alam niyo, ang Christmas wish namin makasama talaga kayo sa Paskong ito. Through this film, happy po kami na kahit paano naging bahagi kami ng inyong Pasko ngayon. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong support, and syempre looking forward tayo sa mas masayang 2024 para sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat din.
pumpkins, I'm with Nicole and Sophie.
Hello po.
Say hi, Sophie. You're so pretty.
Hello. Thank you, Tita. Plug your. That was my.
So, how about your, you mentioned your vlog. You have a vlog?
I don't have a vlog,
But you have
I'm very active on my Instagram.
Okay, and you are she's a very good dancer. Please follow her on her IG account. What is your IG?
My IG is Sophie Echeauz. That's SOPHIESECHAUZ.
Wow! Alright, so we met her here in Baguio, and you live here? Do you
No
live
po,
here?
my family, we have like a vacation house here. But I'm friends with Angela from school. Grade
Yeah,
6.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it was so nice seeing you here
Thank
in
you, Tita, for
Baguio.
letting me have.
Yeah, of course. So did you enjoy?
Yes. Super. Did you? I enjoyed. Did we have fun? Konti in the car.
Okay, so bye guys.
Thank you.
So, hello mga pumpkins! How are you now? Sorry mga pumpkins, I'm here in Baguio right after the black screening of Nailandia for the movie Rewind. Kaso mga pumpkins, right after that, punta kami ng emergency room for Nicole. Nagkaroon siya ng abdominal pain and walang tulog from the kapaguran ng black screening until biyahe namin kanina madaling araw at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Walang tulog. Sa sasakyan na lang ako natulog. Would you imagine, from the time na sumakay ako sa sasakyan hanggang Baguio, tulog ako. Baguio na ako nakarating. Ganun ang level ng pagod ko. So, yun mga pumpkins, kanina nandito na kami maaga. We first visited the Cathedral of Baguio. We prayed and then we had early lunch at Grumpy Joe. Ang sarap! So, we had lunch there. Pero hindi na ako talaga nakapag-vlog mga pumpkins. Sobrang pagod. And then we had power nap muna here in the hotel. We are here in Manor Hotel for 3 days, 2 nights. And then, what else? We had dinner here in Techno Hub lang. We walk lang because it's just 1 kilometer away from the hotel. Kasi sobrang dami ng mga sasakyan, mga pumpkins. Traffic and yung parking punong-puno. So, we don't want to go out na. And then, after dinner, nagkaroon na ng power si Tita Noreen. So, ito, we're here now in our room. We're going to relax a little. And then, tomorrow, that's the time I'll show you around kung saan kami pupunta. But for now, yun na nga. Ito muna, rest muna si Tita Noreen. So, I'll see you tomorrow, mga pumpkins. Doon ko kayo isasama sa mga kaganapan. Pasensya na kayo, ha? Sobrang pagod lately. So, yun na. This is it for now, mga pumpkins. I'll show you around Baguio. Love you, mga pumpkins. So, hello, mga pumpkins. I'm here now. We're here now in the clubhouse of Camp John Hay. We're having breakfast right now. There's the kids over there. And the oldies but goodies over there, the young ones, and we are here. This is the golf course overlooking us here. So we're having breakfast right now, and we plan to go to Good Shepherd after for the pasalubongs and everything. So mga pumpkins, medyo may energy na si Tita Noreen after the mga sunod-sunod na ganap. So yun, so I'll update yung mga pumpkins. Dito muna tayo mag-breakfast. See you mga pumpkins. Love you. Love you. So mga pumpkins, here we are now, back in the hotel. Sobrang traffic ngayon sa Baguio. Wala kang maikutan. Actually, wala rin maparkan. So, we're here back again at the Manor Hotel. Going to play games na lang muna for a while kasi sobrang traffic, mga pumpkins. Lahat yata ng tao nandito sa Baguio. So, mag-play muna kami ng games at the end. Here I am. Sa lobby with the boys here. There you go, boys. So we're going to play muna here. See you mga pumpkins. Mga pumpkins, nagpa-play kami.
Chair. Table.
Pwede ba mag-pass? We're here now in Manor Hotel. It's so nice here, mga pumpkins. Very, very nice. Ang ganda. Feeling so Christmassy. May concert. Free concert. And tingnan nyo mga pumpkins sa look. They are camping over here to watch the concert. So nice here. Dito kami naka-check-in, one of the rooms there. So mga pumpkins, we're on our way to dinner. We're going to Glass House for dinner. And we're going to use the car kasi medyo malayo-layo yan from our hotel. Say hi! We are here now in Camiseta Hotel to have our dinner. So, mga pumpkins, nandito lang kami. We're just roaming around, feeling the cold breeze of Baguio. We're going home tomorrow, so we're spending the night here, enjoying the lights, the Christmas, what do you call this? Christmas village of Manor House?
Manor House?
Manor Hotel. Yeah! And these are the titas and the titas of Manila. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, Happy New Year, sis.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Cheers. Sa mga pumpkins, ayan sila. The kids are so happy playing there. And we are the oldest naman. Oldest though. We're going to play this one. So mga pumpkins, this is it for now. I hope you like this video and see you on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Love you mga pumpkins!